यू नो कुछ संबंध,
some relations, some relationships
व्यवसाय के संबंध होते हैं,
are of the obligations of the world and of the obligations of family and social contacts,
जिसमें हम
in which we have to maintain relationships, maintain obligations, social obligations, professional obligations.
और कुछ संबंध है ना परमार्थ के संबंध है.
While some relationships, some relations are of the highest, are of the divine,
जिसमें formalities का ज्यादा महत्व नहीं,
in which there is not much importance of formalities and obligations.
तुम जो अंदर हो वो पूरी तरह बाहर दिखाने की खुली
In such relationships, in such relations, there is full freedom to express whatever is your inner world.
एक बड़ा इंटरेस्टिंग
in front of them.
proverb है, कहते हैं
In Japanese culture there is an interesting proverb.
तीन तरह के जीवन जीता है.
It is said a person, a human being
के सामने वो बता रहा है,
lives three kinds of lives. One is the life which he projects to the world.
एकदम निकट के मित्र, निकट के,
that is the first type. The second is
उनके सामने वो थोड़ा सा खुलता है.
You know, the second is he or she slightly opens up in front of his close ones and family.
के साथ होता है.
And the third life which he or she lives is the one which he or she has with his own self, her own self.
जीवन को देखोगे तो सचमुच ऐसा ही है कि नहीं, मुझे बता.
If you observe your own life, isn't it like this?
जो मैं परमार्थ के संबंध कह रहा हूँ,
see, the relationships of the divine, of the highest which I am talking, the base of those is whatever you are inside with yourself, with them also you are with just like that. That is the relationship of the highest, where there is no
छुपाने का प्रयत्न करो तो भी छुपा न पाओ,
where there is no you don't need to try to hide anything from them, and even if you try to hide, you are unable to hide anything from them.
Expose होने पर भी,
where after even getting exposed over there, there is no embarrassment, there is only laughter.
ऐसे जो संबंध हैं,
such relations
मूल्यवान संबंध हैं,
are very valuable.
अच्छा, उन संबंधों की सुंदरता को, गरिमा को, उस संबंधों की वैल्यू को अपने मन में बनाए रखना. सानिया, आर यू हियर my dear?
To maintain the value, the beauty of such relations of the highest is very important.
बना हो तो उसकी वैल्यू को अपने मन में बनाए रखना, ऐसा समझो ये अपनी खुद की जिम्मेदारी है.
It is our responsibility, if we don't have such a relationship, at least one in life, to create one such a relation.
पर किसी के,
and the second is, if if we have one, then to maintain its value, to
preferences पर तुम dependent ही नहीं रहना, तुम अपनी commitment से
to maintain its value, to keep that relation maintained is our own responsibility and our own commitment.
Getting what I'm saying? Mentor कह लो,
you can call it a mentor, guide, whatever.
एक ऐसी जगह जहां,
one such place where,
तुम्हारी
one such avenue where
कोई तुम्हें गाइड कर सके.
Someone is guiding you beyond your own intelligence, beyond your own understanding of life. See, whatever is your understanding of life, that is already there. And on the basis of that, whatever the life choices you make, that is already there. Sometimes when your intelligence is not
guide you,
not able to see something, if you have someone who can guide you,
take you really beyond your arena of intelligence. What do you think? अच्छा, जैसे
see, like
आज का पूरा दिन याद कर लो.
Remember today's whole day.
अभी ये जो moments हैं, उसका quality.
Look at these moments. Look at their quality. Look at the current ongoing moments. Look at their quality.
ऐसे moments बहुत rare होते हैं कि नहीं, मुझे बताओ.
Aren't such moments very rare? Tell me honestly.
जहां
where
कोई formality नहीं है,
there is no formality,
कोई distraction नहीं है,
there is no distraction,
अपने आप को या जीवन को समझने के लिए,
where to understand your own self or to understand life, we are focusing completely.
अच्छा, sooner or later ये एक ऐसा सिचुएशन आता ही है कि तुम्हारा खुद का ही
sooner or later
अंदर से गाइड करता रहे.
This situation will come where your own intelligence will guide you from within.
तभी तक तुम्हें
till that doesn't happen,
उस मेंटर की जरूरत है.
you need that mentor.
लेकिन तभी तक डेफिनेटली उस मेंटर की जरूरत है.
But till then you definitely need the mentor. Are you listening to me?
So you mentioned that everybody has their own intelligence which guides them to fulfill their purpose or whatever the journey is. But till your intelligence starts guiding you, when the right time comes, you need a mentor, right? Now tell me, what is the way to, you meet so many people who talk to you, guide you, advise you, and then move away. Sometimes you don't feel confidence in trusting them or telling them what your goal is or whatever. So what is the way to identify and connect and find someone who can be with you as a guide, as a mentor? What is the way to do it? Because a lot of people are just aimless because they don't have someone to help.
सच्ची एक बात बताऊं?
Should I tell you one thing honestly?
Do you have your mentor?
Don't talk about lot of people. Do you have your mentor?
In your life, how many people have you found who can become your mentor?
Probably, Rishi ji, people come, you connect, but maybe I am so difficult on myself that I don't, I'm not willing to kind of maybe trust or say that maybe yes, he or she is the right person. They may not misuse my thinking or my goals, or maybe not make fun of me. Maybe I have a trust issue. That's why this question came up.
That's the point. So generalize नहीं करना. हाँ, generalize.
So please don't generalize.
एकदम individual level पर इसको देखना चाहिए.
We should number two, see this on a very individual level.
तुम सचमुच गौर से देख लो.
Also observe carefully. What is it that you are afraid of losing?
पास तुम्हें जो खोने का डर लग रहा है, उसमें अगर इंटरेस्टेड ऐसा कोई व्यक्ति आ रहा है, तो वो मेंटर बनाने के लायक है क्या, देख लो ना.
If there is someone,
सिंपल सी बात है ना,
who wants something from you,
कितने लोग हैं जिनको
then
तुम पॉसिबिलिटी में भी सोच सकोगे.
Is it worth making him mentor? Observe carefully how many really people you have whom you can think of making your mentor.
उनका पर्सनल लाइफ देखो.
Suppose you make a business mentor in your business. Observe the personal life. It's in such a ruckus. What mentor will you make out of them?
Successful है.
If someone is professionally extremely successful but is such a huge slave of his or her own tendencies, suffering from lust and greed and what mentor will you make out of him or her?
That's my point, my sweetie. यानी तुम्हारे पास चॉइसेस कितने हैं देख लो ना.
How many choices do you have for making a mentor?
घंटी बजी हुई है.
In your own self, you already have the instinct,
really like
instinct on whom to make the mentor.
It is really like, for the lack of other expressions, I am saying, falling in love. It is like that. कहीं दिल लग गया तो लग गया.
Somewhere, if the heart,
तो वो mental intellectual exercise नहीं है
if the heart sensed it, the heart sensed it, the heart got it. It's just like that. It's not an arranged marriage, it's a love marriage.
तो देख लो. और मैं कहता हूँ उसी व्यक्ति के साथ,
and with that same person,
उनको पहले एड्रेस
whatever fears you have, you just address them.
Confide करो कि भाई मुझे ये डर लग रहे हैं.
Confide in them. I have these fears. That's okay. Deal is done, is what I'm saying.